Welcome back. We're at the cabin. Just kidding. We're at my house. Welcome to log land, the land of wood. So, we have not been up to the cabin yet. We will be going up to the cabin. But in the meantime, I'm milling logs. And I got some projects to do around here. And with the leftover stuff, gonna bring it up to the cabin so we don't have to waste time up there milling all that stuff. We can just get to building. So I had a child recently, so I've been busy. Can't just ditch and head up to the cabin. So been doing stuff around here. We will be getting up to the cabin. I got to get through a bunch of logs, and got a lot going on here. So that's that. That's a bit of an update for the cabin. We got stuff to build up there. We want to finish the interior and build another couple buildings. We're gonna do some sleeping cabins, like a spa, sauna type deal with a bathhouse and everything in it. And so that's what's coming. And yeah, I got lots going on here. I haven't really been filming or anything, but I was wondering if you guys are interested in doing a channel about my property here. We got 7 acres. We're building a garden, outside forest gym, chicken coops. We're gonna be running goats and some other stuff, and milling a ton of wood and splitting wood and whatever. So if you guys are interested in a channel about some of the projects I have going on around here, let me know. If not, that's cool too. I'm not really sure, but I could just post videos so frequently because I'm here doing stuff. So I know the cabin is the coolest spot in the world, but not always up there. I wish I could live up there, but it's just not ideal at this moment. So we got lots of stuff going on here. Got some projects on the go. Thanks for watching.